Hey guys, today I'm at Auntie Helen's house and I thought today I'll have a quick look at this Samsung ecobubble 9kg washing machine. Now this is one of my favourite washing machines that I have ever seen, because when you turn it on you get this. There we go, very good. And you've got your main program control dial right here. So the one I'll be using in this one will be the rinse and spin, but I will not be having the rinse on. Actually, the drain and spin, which is only 2 minutes. So right here you've got your massive 9kg drum, which is absolutely brilliant for a full family load. And you get the diamond drum in here, which is supposed to care for your clothes, which is good. It's got a very nice 9 kg capacity, which is suitable. And of course you've got your very sturdy door with that hinge right there. So on to the control dial. We need to switch it on first. Right here you've got your time delay. I think it is up to 24 hours. Yeah, up to 24 hours. And you've got your easy dry option, which does an extra rinse at a lower spin speed. And here you have your bubble soak, which will not do it on this one, maybe on cottons. Yep, it does have that. And here you have your other options just here. So you've got stained garments, a pre-wash, or both. So, and also you've got your temperature from cold right up to 90. And you've got your rinse from 1 all the way up to 5. And for the shower lock, you just press these 2 buttons here for 3 seconds. There you go. It will not mess up the program now. It will not change anything, which is good. If you have little fingers in your house, and that is perfect for that. Now onto this one, which is a chime deactivation. So now when I turn the dial right here, oh, I think that just does it at the end of the program. I'm not too sure. So turn that off. And now I want to show you of how it all works. So I'm going to put it on a drain and spin with no drain, with drain only, and then hit start. So that it's just so that you can see it work and get a closer look at it working. Now the best thing about this washing machine is that when it's finished, you get a sign on it, which is very nice. So he's only got a minute left. And at the end of it, you get that little song that I like, which is good for large households. Well, that delightful tune tells us the washer has finished. So let's open the other door right there, and that's it.